Toronto, the city within a forest, with a population of nearly 6 million and over 8,000 hectares of green space, millions of Torontonians pass by, around, and over an amazing tapestry of ravines and urban forests, often too busy with the challenges of day-to-day living to reflect on these places as blessings, pockets of vibrant life that are quintessential to Toronto.
Our ravines and urban forests are our greatest civic treasure. They provide us with opportunities to connect with our natural world and each other. They purify our water and clean our air.
The wilderness outside the window, under the bridge, down the alley, or even right in our own backyard are far more the soul of the city than any of the buildings, roads, or historic landmarks.
They have captured and preserved the relics of human history spanning millennia past. They define, sustain, protect, and inspire us all.
I'm Terry Terron.
And I'm Izzy Brownlee.
And we're professional guides and certified outdoor educators. And we welcome you to Take a Walk on the Wild Side with Wild Ones Wilderness. The raccoon, the black mask and ringtail of raccoons, is a familiar sight in many parts of Ontario, including urban and suburban settings. By watching their mothers, young raccoons learn to handle a wide variety of food items, ranging from shellfish, snakes, and small mammals, to bird eggs, berries, and watermelon. These crafty critters also use their dexterous little paws to pry off well-sealed garbage can lids, or to undo 10 zippers. Raccoons are known for wetting their food before eating, a behavior that allows them to feel for and discard inedible matter. Where can you find them? In wooded areas near water throughout the southern one-half of Ontario. The raccoon, a very familiar sight in Toronto.
Another common species in the Toronto area, the Mallard Duck. With a shiny green head and chestnut brown breast, it is a classic wild duck. Mallards can be seen year-round, often in flocks and near open water. After breeding, male ducks lose their elaborate plumage, helping them stay camouflaged during their flightless period. In early fall, they molt back into their breeding colors. Most people think of the mallard's quack, whack, 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 as the classic duck call. They can be found in lakes, wetlands, rivers, city parks, agricultural areas, and sewage lagoons all throughout Ontario. The male mallard